we're sat outside the boozer, having a quick pint. Steve's gone for a tactical poo before we start the hike. I'm whispering because there's loads of people around. But yeah, Steve's gone for a tactical poo. And yeah, just having a quick pint really. And then we'll start our hike. Oosh! Just like a massive dragonfly land on my foot. There, foot. Gone. But anyways, yeah. So we're now in motion. Pint is gone. The walk is on. Silver Bay, here we come. There's old Steve with his pan, ready for the steak later. Are we crossing onto the path, dude? Just in case. So yeah, there's some sheepage. Meh. Meh. Some good looking sheep, that. Alright, so we just hiked along the road now. Go to Silver Bay, about 45 minutes you reckon, Steve?
45 minutes.
That'll be 3 hours then. Steve's timekeeping's no good. So dog's barking at Steve. Jesus. Red hot. On our way to Silver Bay now, hiking in. Yeah, oof. What's cattle grid? Steve, you're going to be able to walk across this, mate, you fucking cow. Yeah. Look at the state of that. Oh, shit.
It's your balance.
Heavy. Oh. Right, alright, I'm off. That's mint, I like.
Yeah.
So we are now arrived at Silver Bay. Took us like what, Steve?
About 45 minutes.
45 minutes walk from Patterdale. Dump the bags. We actually met this gentleman here.
Wow.
Paul and
Sian.
And Maggie May. They've pulled up on their boat. We're now going to share some eels with them. So,
good stuff, I'm choking food.
hi, so, and this little buddy here. Hello! Hello! Look, you're famous now. Hey!
Famous for the 80 odd views, eh?
80 views that'll get, yeah. Oh, absolutely lovely though, isn't it?
I wish I'd fit me swimming shorts now.
Unreal.
Doing a vlog, are you?
Yeah, we just do little videos and that.
Oh, so you're famous now, so you'll be on our video. Thank you very much, appreciate
I
it.
was doing the video shooting, like, I mean, been camping for years, but never had no sort of pictures of videos and to look back on, so we just started to make a little channel.
It's not really about like with us, like you get all those people who go camping and that and they make videos to try and get views and famous and all that. It's not about that, it's just like saving the memories. They'll always be on YouTube when we upload them, they'll always be there. And then like, obviously our kids later down the line will be able to watch them and go, Jesus, our daddies were nuts.
Well, thank you very much, I
appreciate that. So there's Paul, just been having a dump.
Shit together. Not getting my shit together.
There's some Irish girls over there. Obviously Lily White, pinched out camping spot. You know what I mean? But yeah, Silver Bay. New friends randomly.
Hi.
Shan and Paul with Maggie May and Tilly.
Tilster.
Oh, Tilster.
Tildred.
Near Lake Ullswater. Or water, Ullswater. It's not even a lake, is it? It's a water.
Oh,
So,
yeah, Ullswater. Is it not a lake?
it's not actually a lake, it's a water.
I could swim in there.
Ah, good.
But yeah, so we're hoping the Irish girls are pissing off now. So we'll go get our camping spot in a minute.
Yeah, we'll get that.
They might not even be Irish, but just they're really white. So they must be. Yeah. So the geese out ready to pack up. Well, not pack up, drag along there somewhere once they fuck off.
There's a Stephen
Awesome.
Fortune physiotherapist here.
It's mine, Stephen Ronald Fortune.
Yeah, I've got you.
Have you got his?
I've think I might add some
Steve, man, you could have said you were a physiotherapist there, mate.
Yeah.
I mean, you could have been like all over Paul there, you know.
Oh, just give him a good massage, like.
But, yeah.
I think they're going now, actually.
Aye. Once they fuck off, mate, we'll go along.
picture over there.
Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Steve. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip.
Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray! Happy birthday, bud.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your 39th.
39th birthday.
Happy birthday, pal. Decent. Random people sitting with, drinking champagne, Malibu and Coke, Stella, rosé wine, the lot. Epic. Steve's feeling sorry for himself. He's down there, setting his tent up. Mine's already up. He's brought Delilah this time. Daughter's he's KKing off. Well, I'm happy. I'm all pictured up. They're all anchored up with Tilly, the little doggy thing. Look at that. Minus the head. Zah. Happy. I think we're struggling with the boat. I'm not sure. Good people. Nice people.
Coriander one.
Bit of air there, like, pal. The main stay come wild camping. Look at that. Buffet. Olives. What we got? Tomatoes. Hummus. Carrots.
Boys.
Yes, party sausages. Good company. Class.
Right, lad.
I'm watching you figure.
You're watching your figure. That light is our new friends. They've gone. Set a sail. Silver Bay friends. They've set sail for deeper waters.
I think they just got fed up with us.
I think so, mate.
I think they just got fed up with us.
You're sick as fuck.
Nah, I was fucking spot on them, like.
Yeah, I'm getting eaten alive by minches here.
Nah, it's really good.
So much pleasure. It's like a fucking child. Look at him. Does look kind of cool. Childlike.
Every chance, good shit.
Steve's not. Not even ready for these, like, but.
Das ist ganz
Das good.
shit.
Das eine gute Schiete. Wow. Steak. 2 steaks in a bun. How'd you find yours, Steve?
Unbelievable.
That one real, I met.
Food spot on.
Steaks in a bun. So there we are, Dora and Delilah, both set up, both the tents. It's our pitch at night. Down here at Silver Bay in the Lake District. You can't see it now, can you? There you go. That's tonight's pitch. But yeah, sorry. Got my joggers, my hoodie, which is there. Sandwich from earlier, some hobnobs and a bottle of Fanta. That's me tonight. Feeling ropey now. Stay, how are you feeling?
Spot on, mate. Spot on.
Spot on, are you sure?
Oh yes. I've got this chocolate in there.
No, you happy with chocolate?
It's getting devoured. 10.
But aye, that's me for tonight. Oh, Jesus Christ, I feel fucking hammered. Anyway, sorry to swear, but yeah, that's me for tonight. In a bit. Peace. Night, Steve.
Night, mate.
Night splits. So Steve's in his tent. Yeah. I'm still chowing and holding up. But I reckon Steve's on WCW. Look on the wild camp wank. Oh, but it's bang on midnight. Yeah. Hobnob. But yeah, I'm in my tent. It's still my tent, but I'm chowing on hobnob. It's 8 o'clock. Felt like fucking shit last night. Felt like a burning sensation in my throat all night. Just kept us weird. Yeah, acid. I pissed last night, like. Can't even bother. I didn't move. I'll try to go back to sleep for an hour. We'll see in a bit.
Jesus.
Oh.
Go on, Ian.
Jesus Christ. Oh. Regulate.
What?
Regulate the fucking breathing.
Regulate the breathing. Don't die.
Oh, Jesus. That is fresh, that, mate.
Yeah.
Feels fresh for that. Oh, fuck. Sitting in the cold. Yeah, 3-1 coffee. Warm up. Get dry in a second. I might have to towel. In a bit. Just get dry within a bit. Right. Anyway, get back to you. Not sure if this is our friends, but there is a boat incoming. This is our friends of last.
Bay friends.
This is Bay friends. Is it?
It can't be.
I reckon it is, you know.
I think it is.
How cool's that, man? The foot to come back. That's mint, that. Yeah, that's what it wasn't. Oh, very rough as fuck. Flies on hand. Rough. Oh. I can't be bothered. Oh, what's the crap with the flies landing on us, like? Griffers. Taxi, get in. Morning, Sian, you alright? Hey, aye.
You alright?
Nah, mate.
No?
Nah, just pure acid last night. Just,
Oh, was it?
nah, it's
You want
just.
some tablets?
I'm alright now. I've had a dip in there this morning,
Aye.
so it's not too bad.
Says if you want to go for a dip, she'll go on with you.
That, I'm not getting back in that.
Oh no.
Definitely not.
That's not.
So just walking back onto the tent now. Our new friends have agreed to give us a lift on the boat. That one that you see behind us. So we've boating out of there. The extraction. Proper extraction and that. It's been a class camp this. Unreal. Leaving in style on a boat. So our new buddy's making us a continental breakfast. Oh, full English. Oh,
I went out to shop the haggis myself this morning
aye.
on the hill.
So yeah, the extraction has come. Leaving on there, how Maggie me. Eh? No, I'm filming. Hi. So pleased we packed our tents up this morning rather than before they arrived, like. But yeah.
Thinking is actually jam jars, okay? Not food.
Aye, so the Matten's a bacon buddy. Champion. Proper nice and gotta love it. Whew. Still feeling a bit rough. Well, that's it, isn't it? Quite the island. Construction starts. Leaving Silver Bay in style. Bye bye, Silver Bay. So we've just left our newfound friends. We're just walking back to the car now. It's been about a 10-minute walk. We think. But yeah.
Remember my 10-minute walk before?
No, your 10 minutes is lethal, mate.
I don't think it's that far. There's a shop there and it's like 10 minutes.
Yeah. So that's Silver Bay done in the Lake District, Wild Camp. Like I said, walk back to the car now, drive home. But hi, thank you very much for watching. This is the last video I'm going to do now. And please subscribe to Race Outdoors. You don't have to, like I said earlier. Just enjoy watching. If you just want to watch it, don't bother subscribing. I couldn't care less. But you guys enjoy and look after yourselves as well. In a bit. Peace.